Is it possible to start your own web hosting business from home? The answer is yes, it is 100% possible. This is through what is called white labeling. In this lesson, I'm going to explain to you all you need to know about white label softwares. This is a diagram I'm going to use to explain to you what white labeling is. After that, I'll take you to a scholarship definition of white labeling. So we have a product here, product A and product B. Product A is a drink, and that is a canned drink called Malta Guinness. Okay, now with permission from Malt, I was able to produce my own version of Malt by simply removing their branding and then pasting my own branding to it and then selling it to my own customers. So if you have permission from a company, a white label permission, you can take off their branding and then white label it. That means you remove their branding and put your logo, your stamp, your everything on it. Maybe change the flavor of the drink and sell it to your own customers. In this case, you are not the same person who created the can. The drink inside, that's the liquid substance, you did not create it. You simply remove their branding and then you pasted your own branding to it, and that's white labeling. So this in the case of a product like this. Now let's carry this knowledge over to software industry. What is white labeling in software? With this knowledge, let's understand what white label software is, because after this lesson you understand why it is possible to start your very own web hosting business from home with white labeled softwares in the market. So I'll take you to Google and then ask Google. So I'll simply take you to Google, and this is a definition from Google what white label software is. So a white label software is a generic software without any branding. It's a software without any branding that is developed and sold to customers as a service. Businesses can purchase access to the software and add their own branding to it, resell it to their own customers as if it was developed by them. So this is a definition of white labeling. I hope it's clear. Let me take you to another tab. A white label software is a fully customizable software enabling companies to rebrand it as their own. So that's white labeling. The concept is simple. You pick a product, take a white labeling license from them or permission from them, and most softwares they give you this for free. You can paste your own stamp on it, your own branding, have your own custom domain name. When your users land on your site, they will not know that you have a mother software supplying them. I hope it's simple. So that's white labeling. Okay, when you go to Google and search softwares that allow white labeling like this and hit enter, you're going to see a list of softwares that you can simply white label and then customize, replace it with your own logo, and then sell it to your own clients. This is a typical example of a white label software. Okay, I'll take you back to the top, and this is social media automation. All right, it's here. Good. So we have white label, social pilots, white labels, social media management solution, help agency. Use our tool as your own and create new income stream. go to the FAQ. That's the frequently asked questions. Do you offer 100% white label solution? And the answer is absolutely. You can customize social pilot with your own logo, brand colors, domain name or URL, your from emails, and much more. Your clients would not see social pilot's name in any place. They will not have any idea. They will think you are a standalone platform. They will not know that you have a provider or a mother software somewhere providing them or supplying them. And they would love you for offering them this wonderful solution. See that? One advantage of white label softwares is that you can start it right now, right from here, without technical know-how. Let's take a quick look at the benefits or advantages of having a white labeled software. The very first advantage or benefit is that it is cost and time effective. You can get into the market straight away without spending thousands, if not millions of dollars on web developers or software designers, engineers to build you a software. And it is also time effective, and that means you can start your software business right now, right away, without wasting time. Next up, we have rapid market entry. So ChatGPT is telling us that white label software enable businesses to enter the market quickly with a fully functioning product. It is also customizable. That's customization, brand identity, reduced risk. Since white label software has already been developed and tested by other people, there is less risk associated with the technical glitches or errors that might arise during the development phase. I hope this is clear, because most of the software are already tested, tried and tested. So now you are going to use or replicate some people's idea as yours. You simply add your voice to it or your colors and rebrand it as your own, and then sell it to your own customers, mark up the prices and sell it to your own customers. I know of people who are successful with this kind of white labeling thing or reselling. So in my next episode, I'm going to talk to you about reseller hosting. Now that we have this idea of white labeling, let's now take it further by understanding what reseller hosting is. And from there, we'll now start building our own web hosting business with this idea of white labeling other people's companies or softwares to look like ours, and then we sell it to our own people. With that being said, thank you for watching this lesson. I'll see you in my next episode where we're talking about reseller hosting.